In the previous chapter, we learned about organic compound which contain carbon-oxygen single bond. In this chapter, we are going to study organic compound containing carbon-oxygen double bond, and this bond is called as carbonyl group, which is one of the most important functional group in organic chemistry. Both aldehydes and ketones contain carbon-oxygen double bond as their functional group. Therefore, they are called as carbonyl compound. In aldehyde, carbon is bonded to at least one hydrogen atom apart from alkyl or aryl group. The functional group of aldehyde is CHO and functional group of ketone is C double bond O. In ketones, carbonyl carbon is bonded to two alkyl group or aryl groups called as ketonic carbonyl group. The functional group of carboxylic acid is COH group called as carboxylic group. Then classification of aldehydes. Aldehydes classified into two types: aliphatic, in which CHO group is attached directly to sp3 carbon atom except formaldehyde. Second one is aromatic, in which CHO group is attached directly to aromatic ring. Then classification of ketones. Aliphatic, the compounds in which carbonyl group is attached to two alkyl group are called as aliphatic ketone. In aliphatic ketone, first is simple or symmetrical ketone, in which both the alkyl groups bonded to carbonyl carbon are identical, called as simple ketone. Mixed ketone, in which the alkyl group or aryl group bonded to carbonyl group are of different, called as mixed ketone or unsymmetrical ketone. Then aromatic, the compound in which carbonyl group is attached to either two alkyl groups or one aryl and one alkyl group, called as aromatic ketone. Then classification of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid is classified into two types: aliphatic and aromatic. In aliphatic carboxylic acid, COH group is bonded to alkyl group, and in aromatic, COH group is bonded to aromatic ring. Then nomenclature of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Trial name: aldehyde and carboxylic acid. The trial name of aliphatic aldehyde are derived from corresponding trial name of carboxylic acid. Hence, ending IAC of carboxylic acid is replaced by aldehyde. IUPAC name: in IUPAC system, alkane it changes to alkanol, and carboxylic acid alkane changed to alkanoic acid. एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हैं टेबल में, देखो HCHO फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड मिथानल, देन प्रोपेनॉल्डिहाइड प्रोपेनल, एक्रोलिन प्रोप 2-एनल, ऑक्सैल्डिहाइड इथेंडाइल एंड लास्ट वन इज इथेनल. देन कीटोन, इन कीटोन alkane it changes to alkanone. When two alkyl groups are present, the ending E of the alkane is written and a suffix -dione is added to the name of parent ketone, indicating the locants of ketonic carbonyl group. Then carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid alkane it changes to alkanoic acid. Examples देखो HCOH formic acid, methanoic acid, CH3COH acetic acid, IUPAC name ethanoic acid, propanoic acid, IUPAC name propanoic acid, butyric acid, butanoic acid, and last one is isobutyric acid, 2-methyl propanoic acid. Then preparation of aldehydes and ketone. First preparation, देखो प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एल्डिहाइड्स दिख रहा है फ्रॉम एसिल क्लोराइड. एल्डिहाइड्स एंड कीटोन बोथ कैन बी ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम एसिल क्लोराइड. रिएक्शन C or general reaction RCOCl gives RCHO plus HCl. Acyl chloride is reduced to corresponding aldehyde by hydrogen using palladium catalyst. This reaction is known as Rosenmund reaction. Then preparation of aliphatic ketone from acyl chloride. Ketones are obtained from acid chloride by reaction with dialkyl cadmium, which is prepared by treatment of cadmium chloride with Grignard reagent. Then preparation of aldehyde from nitrile. Nitriles, aldehydes and ketones both can be obtained from nitrile by different method. Nitriles are reduced to imine hydrochloride by stannous chloride in presence of hydrochloric acid, which on acid hydrolysis gives corresponding called as Stephan reaction. Then preparation of ketones from nitrile. Ketones are prepared by reacting nitrile with Grignard reagent in dry ether as solvent followed by acid hydrolysis. Then preparation of aromatic aldehyde from hydrocarbon. First is Attard reaction. Methyl group in methyl benzene is oxidized by oxidizing reagent chromyl chloride in carbon disulfide solvent. This reaction is known as Attard reaction. Then Gattermann-Koch reaction. Benzene or substituted benzene is treated under high pressure with carbon monoxide and hydrogen chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride or cuprous chloride gives benzaldehyde or substituted benzaldehyde. Then preparation of aldehydes and ketone from ester. Aliphatic or aromatic esters are reduced to aldehyde by using diisobutyl aluminum hydride or aluminum AlHIBu. The reaction is usually carried out at 195 Kelvin to prevent further reaction of aldehyde. Then preparation of carboxylic acid from amides. Alkyl nitrile or aryl nitrile on acid hydrolysis give amide. Amide on further acid hydrolysis give corresponding carboxylic acid, and hydrolysis is carried out by using dilute mineral acid like dilute sulfuric acid or dilute hydrochloric acid. Then preparation of carboxylic acid. First, from nitriles and amide. Alkyl nitrile or aryl nitride on acid hydrolysis give amide. Amide on further hydrolysis give corresponding carboxylic acid. From acyl chloride and anhydride, acyl chloride on hydrolysis with water give carboxylic acid, and this method is useful for preparation of aliphatic and aromatic acid. Then from esters, carboxylic acids can be obtained from esters either by acid hydrolysis or by alkaline hydrolysis. So first, acid hydrolysis of ester. Ester on hydrolysis with dilute mineral acid like dilute HCl or dilute sulfuric acid give corresponding carboxylic acid. Then alkaline hydrolysis. Alkaline hydrolysis of ester using dilute alkali like dilute NaOH or dilute KOH form solution of water soluble sodium or potassium salt of acid. And on acidification with concentrated HCl gives free acid. From alkyl benzene, and this reaction, alkaline hydrolysis of ester, is known as saponification reaction. From alkyl benzene, aromatic carboxylic acid can be prepared by oxidation of alkyl benzene with dilute nitric acid or alkaline or acidic KMnO4 or chromic acid. And from alkene, carboxylic acid can also be prepared by oxidation of alkene by KMnO4 in dilute sulfuric acid. And next one is from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent in dry ether solvent is added to solid carbon dioxide to give complex which on acid hydrolysis gives corresponding carboxylic acid. So in this lecture we have studied about introduction of aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid, classification of aldehyde, classification of ketones, classification of carboxylic acid, then nomenclature and preparation of aldehyde ketones and preparation of carboxylic acid. Thank you.